In this video, I show you how to use Apple Pay and go and set it up. If you are new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And please do make sure you watch this video right until the end for the full steps, and without any further ado, let's go and jump into this guide. I'm now on my phone and let's go and get straight into this. So the first thing you need to do in order to go and use Apple Pay is to go and make sure we've added a card to our wallet. So you want to simply go and open up the wallet app on your phone. So go and locate wallet, mine is on my home screen just here. So go and open up wallet just like so, and then it's going to go and show you any cards you already have. So if you haven't got a card added yet, then all you want to do is go to the top right where you've got the add button and go and click add. Wait a minute to load, and then we've got these options here. It's probably going to vary a little bit for each country for the available cards, but I've got debit or credit cards, so I'm going to go and click here. And then as you can see here, it says add credit or debit or store cards to Apple Pay to make secure payments. So I'm going to go and click continue. And then all you want to do is then go and add your card. So as you can see, you can go and scan it just like so, or you can go and enter card details manually as well. So you enter your name, your card number, and it'll ask for a few more details, and then it'll all be ready. And then once you've added your card, it's then going to go and be added to your wallet, just like mine is just here. The first way of using Apple Pay I want to show you is if you're in a shop and you're using it contactlessly. To do that, all you need to do is come onto your phone. The phone can be on your lock screen or your home screen as well. And then all you need to do is locate the side power button on the right hand side. Then all you need to do is go and press it twice, just like so. So 1, 2, and boom, it's then going to go and bring this up here. And as you can see, you can go and use your Face ID, or if it isn't recognized, you can go and pay with your passcode. Then once you've used your Face ID or entered your passcode, it's then going to go and say hold near reader, and you simply want to go and tap it on the reader or whatever you're tapping it on. And now if you want to go and use it on a website, all you need to do is make sure the website supports Apple Pay, and then what you need to do is simply go and click on the Apple Pay button, and on the lower half of your screen you're going to go and get a pop-up saying do you want to use Apple Pay, and it's going to allow you to choose which card you'd like to use. And there we go, that is exactly how you use Apple Pay. If you found this video useful, please go down below and leave a subscription. Peace.